Yeah, it's one coat. I want it thicker, but that is smooth, and that could be done right there. Typically, I use medium for my second coat. I am going to try this new to me at least product, stadtbond flexible medium thick. These crochet and sewing handles are going to take a lot of impact, get a lot of use. Seems like this stronger and high impact, seems like that and flexible seems like a good combination for a tool like that. What do you think? Is red zebra. I've never tried this before. Gotta remember who it was. Somebody online I saw doing that. Learned a couple things I'll do different next time already. That is, again, I could almost be done right there, but just a little buffing and touching up, and that is going to be perfect.